On my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna, and today I'm going to show you my Halloween makeup look. So let's get into this video. Start out with my Urban Decay Wired palette, and then I'm going to use the white in like my inner corner of my eye. I sort of want to do like a candy corn sort of style, so I'm going to be adding like yellow and orange and stuff. So I think it will turn out really cool. I actually found my regular like eyeshadow brush, and this is like the pressed pigments, so if this doesn't like work well, I can just use my finger. Oh my gosh, be glad I found this. It's a whole lot better. Now my eyes are starting to water again, but yeah, that looks really awesome. I ended up actually putting the white also in my crease. And yeah, since I found this brush, it works a whole lot better. And next, I was thinking that it would go in yellow. And I want to use the Soph X Revolution palette, or whatever you would say. This is like really hard to open. So, right now I can't get it open. So, I actually finally got it open. And I think I want to go into LA Sun just so we can get like kind of sparkles into this look. So I think, yeah, I'm going to use like my regular eyeshadow brush. I'm bad with names, so if this has a specific name, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. I love this palette. It's so nice. But I know with some shimmer shades that they might go better on with a finger or a firmer brush. Ooh, you can't really see it, but it's like really pretty. And last time I used this, I ended up using a firmer brush, so I'm just gonna go into that because what I noticed is it worked a whole lot better. There we go. Yeah. That's a whole lot better. It's like really pretty. So, do the rest off camera. Go in with the orange, and I'm gonna go into Sweet and Sour. It's like it's like a really dark orange that's also pretty bright, but in the pan I know it doesn't look like that. It looks more burnt, but it's like really pretty. I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner. Ooh, that is so pretty. I'm gonna put a little bit in the crease here. It's like super pretty. I really like that color. Wow. It's a really pretty color. There we go. Now I'll go on the other eye. Lash line, I was thinking that I would go into Sweet and Sour and use that because I realized I really like the color. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's becoming very Halloween-ish. Ooh, I know, I'm weird. Go in with my eyeliner, and I'm going to use this black LA Colors eye marker. It's really cool. This is like my new favorite eyeliner. And I actually bought this at Dollar Tree. And it's like, yeah, I love it. I know I'm bad with eyeliner, but yeah. I don't know. I'll get better at it. So, there. I'll finish it off camera. Eyeliner. I think it's like really pretty. I always like doing like little wings, and once I found out like the liquid stuff is a whole lot better with the wings, I've only stuck with like liquid and marker sort of stuff after that. But next, I actually want to go into my mascara. It's Mary Kay Lash Love, and it's in the color purple. And it's just like, purple is Halloween-ish. So, yeah, a lot of times with me, with mascara, you don't see too much of a difference with my eyes, so. But yeah. I'm gonna go into my blush. Sorry if my voice sounds weird and my eyes are watery. My allergies are bad. And I'm using like this, Pro Artist eyeshadow palette and blush from Style Essentials. I ended up getting this one from Five Below. And I was thinking that I will use like this light little blush, because I can't talk today. You know. I always use like lighter blushes, because I'm not into like too dark of blushes. Ooh. Never have. But, just frustrated with my allergies. There we go. It's like really pretty. Highlight, I'm gonna go in this like little elf palette. I love it. It's like so pretty and so cute. I remember I ended up finding this at the dollar store, and I'm just like, I have to get it. So, yeah. You can see how pretty it is. And I just put it like on my cheekbones right here. I know it might look crazy right now, but like I'll blend it out later. But like, it's one of my favorites. Actually, I think it is my favorite. So, yeah. And then I always like booping my nose, because it's fun. That's why I like doing it. There. There's my highlight. I'm gonna go in this with the... I can't talk today! With this black lipstick. This is the first time having black lipstick, and it's by Wet n Wild. I ended up finding this one at the dollar store too. I find a lot of like little makeup stuff from the dollar store. So, now the tough part is actually getting it out of the package. There. Gosh, I can't today. But yeah, it's really pretty. So, like, I know my makeup's uneven, but like, I don't know, like, I guess it's like creamier than I'm like actually used to. But I like it so far. Yeah, I know I have to like fill it in and stuff. Ooh. Just Halloween look. And with the lipstick, it is buildable. And I actually think it might be like more creamy and stuff, because it looks like, what did it say on the package? It's more like silky. So, but yeah, I think it looks really cool. I actually think black lipstick looks actually pretty good on me. Like, first time ever, and I've always wanted some. So, follow me on Instagram at Brianna Hake, and have a nice day.